I haven't started talking yet. All right, folks, for those of you who did not ride down with me, my name is Dave, and I will be your damn guide this afternoon. You're allowed to laugh. You know that, don't you? Welcome to Hoover Dam, one of the engineering marvels of the 20th century. And by the way, did you know that 2010 marks the 75th anniversary of the dedication of Hoover Dam? But before they could build the dam, they had to do something about the Colorado River. Went right through where they wanted to build the dam. So what they decided to do was dig 4 huge diversion tunnels through the Black Canyon. One here, 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 and here. Now each one of these tunnels is 50 feet in diameter and about 4,000 feet long. You're actually standing in one of them right now. You look out there, you can see it. And we're standing right about here at the present time. In addition to the diversion tunnels, they built 2 huge earthen coffer dams. The upper coffer dam was 100 feet tall. What it did was force the Colorado into those diversion tunnels and around the dam site. The lower coffer dam was 65 feet tall. It prevented the river from backing up into the dam site. Now these were major construction projects on their own. It took 21 months to build Hoover Dam. It took 19 months to do these projects and cost almost as much money as the dam did. But it was necessary because that's the only way they could get the river to bypass the dam site. Once the dam was completed, they blew up the lower coffer dam, allowing the river to run freely downstream. The upper coffer dam they left in place. As far as we know, it's still sitting out there at the bottom of Lake Mead. But before the lake could rise, they had to do something about those same diversion tunnels. They had to close them off some way. So what they did was put 50 by 50 foot steel plates at the entrance to each diversion tunnel. That allowed the tunnels to be drained and dried out. Once they were drained and dried out, 400-foot concrete plugs were poured in each one of the tunnels, allowing them to be used for other functions. So, we got the dam built, the diversion tunnels closed off, the lake is rising behind it. It's time for Hoover Dam to go to work. Thank you.
Haley, get down.
As you drove in today, you may have seen sitting out there in Lake Mead the 4 intake towers we have. 2 over on the Arizona side, 2 on the Nevada side. What happens is water goes in the lower half of these intake towers, drops down into a 30-foot diameter penstock. You know what a penstock is? You know what it is? No, anybody know what it is? It's just damn talk for a pipe. So anyhow, the water drops into this 30-foot diameter pipe at the rate of up to 88,000 gallons per second, not per minute. You're actually standing over one of them right now. If you look out there, you can see the penstock, and you can probably feel the rumble of the water through the soles of your feet here. That's water you're feeling, not machinery. So, water drops into the intake, drops into the penstock, through the Black Canyon, inside the original diversion tunnels. At that point, the water is diverted into the little 13-foot diameter penstocks, 1 for each one of our generators, and drops down to the bottom of the generator. Altogether, the water drops about 250 feet from the intake towers to the bottom of the generator. So, consider 250-foot drop. Go from a 30-foot diameter pipe into a 13-foot diameter pipe. What we're doing is we're creating a tremendous velocity, so that at each one of the generators, this water can turn a 34-ton turbine at the rate of 180 revolutions per minute, 60 miles per hour. And we'll talk a little bit more about that when we get up into the power plant itself. But once it does that, the water's completed its job for us here at Hoover Dam. It's released into the tail race and continues its journey downstream as the Colorado River goes on into California, where it's used as irrigation water in the Imperial Valley, amongst others. And for drinking water in Southern California, like at Disneyland. Before it goes on into Mexico and the Gulf of California, where the Colorado ends its 1,400-mile journey. Speaking of journeys, guess what? I'm the only one who knows where we're going next. I get to go first. And then we'll go on to the next stop on our tour.
Mariel, Haley, come here. You guys need to stay over here, okay?